Big fan of LED. There's so many options you can get today. Here's a little downlight LED. Love these. You can get a pack of 4 from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But this is kind of a floodlight. Does an awesome job illuminating. So now we want to add these all the way across our border right here. So I'm going to measure these. 2 options. You can do the big anchor, the plastic anchor, and do it. I think I'm just going to try to screw them in. If they fall out, then I'll come back with a bigger bit and put the plastic anchor in. But if not, I think I'm just going to do this. 2 screws, solar light, turn it around. Been charging. And every 6 feet or so. So I'm gonna give it some pretty good illumination at night, and we'll see how it goes. So these lights, if you just want to know, it's gonna get tons of sunlight right here. There's an on-off switch right here. I got it on. Like I said, I didn't use the anchors. I don't think I really need them. And then I kind of square it up on there. It's gonna get tons of sunlight. Back this one out just a touch. That way, now I can grab it. Like again, it's on. There we go. Nice, secure setting. Tons of sunlight right here, and should project a pretty good light here on the bottom. So I'm just going to measure it like this. Like I said, I'm not doing the anchors, so I'm going to switch out this bit. I can tighten them up if I need to, but this one off. It's on off, so has a little weather. Comes with a sticker. I took the sticker off, so all right. Okay, so we got a little measurement, and I may have put this one a little too close to the wall. No big deal. You saw I just put a miniature hole in there. So this is halfway. I marked it right here. I'm gonna put the third of three right here. And then after I watch it tonight, if I don't like it, you can move it a little bit. More holes right here. Ouch. Like I said, I didn't put the major anchors in there. I don't think it's needed. I mean, this so small. I'm turning this on. I mean, it's light. And solar power is on the back. 2 LEDs shining down. Let's see. There you go. Again, sorry, keep saying that, but I like it. You got it, babe? Got it? All I'm doing right now is measuring 5. I got 5 more. I just want to get them measured. So it is 5'8", 11'4". Sorry. Put a little mark. So I got this done. Looks like I'm missing about 1 right here, just on the edge. See the little black dots right here. And so I have my floodlights, which are LED as well, right here. So these are shining on my pool house. 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5 right here. No, 6. Kind of an extra one. So all those are illuminating my pool house, and I just put these under
illuminations on. We'll see how they do. So here's what they look like. Like I said, I need one more down here and we're done. But we're so done, I'm about to hit this trampoline into the pool. Go jump off the trampoline. They don't get the concept yet.
I feel like
You can do 3, 2, 1, go. 3, go. You did it. You did it, baby. Super brave. Here's a look at the driveway. Little sticking lights. These are like $2 at Walmart. I'll show you a picture in just a second. But pretty good illumination for the driveway. And then back to the uplighting for the trees that we have on a couple different spots. But I know this is a terrible camera. iPhone, the old one. So, but you get enough illumination with solar that, I mean, how can you not recommend it? I think 4 of them for about $40 off of Amazon. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Get your house illuminated without wires, without an electrician. Golden.